Here I'm going to show you how to find DuckDuckGo AI Assistant. To find DuckDuckGo AI Assistant, click on DuckDuckGo browser here. Now wait for it to load. In order for us to reach DuckDuckGo AI Assistant, type anything on the search for. Now click on search. Here inside the DuckDuckGo, in order to find the AI assistant, click on this chat icon here. Now to make it start working, click on get started. Now select any AI chat model you need, chat model you want, select anyone you want. I'll go with ChatGPT Turbo. Now click on next. Now click on agree. As you can see, I have set it up. In order to change it again or to change the AI model again, just click here, select the AI model you want to use. Now click on new chat. As you can see, I've changed it. That's how to find DuckDuckGo AI Assistant. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. And if you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss out on my new videos. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace. Check out the description section for more tutorials.